Imagine this, you're wandering through the cobblestone streets of Rome, or maybe lounging on a pristine beach in the Caribbean, soaking in the vibes of a new culture. Everything's perfect until you're stopped by the police. What for? Feeding a pigeon. Traveling is all about experiencing new cultures, but sometimes those cultures come with rules so strange they feel like something out of a comedy sketch. In today's video, we're counting down 10 foreign laws you should never break. These aren't just fun facts, they're the kind of rules that could save you from an awkward fine or even a jail sentence. Some are mysterious, some are hilarious, and a few might make you question reality. Let's get started. Singapore Gum Control HQ. Singapore is famous for its spotless streets and futuristic skyline, but there's a reason behind that pristine cleanliness. Gum, or rather, the lack of it. Back in 1992, the government decided to ban the sale of chewing gum to curb vandalism, especially on their new, state-of-the-art subway system. The result? A law that's as strict as it is unusual. You can still chew gum if it's medicinal, like nicotine gum, but even then, you need a prescription. Spitting gum on the ground? That's a fast track to a hefty $1,000 fine. Fun fact, the ban has been so effective that it's often studied by urban planners worldwide. It's like Singapore cracked the code on keeping cities clean, though it comes at the cost of your favorite minty snack. Venice, the pigeon posse. Venice, the city of canals and romance. But did you know it's also the city of pigeon enforcers? Feeding pigeons in Venice, particularly in St. Mark's Square, is banned, and fines can go up to 700 euros. Why the strict rule? Well, pigeons might look cute, but they're actually little feathered menaces. Their droppings are highly acidic and can erode the city's ancient marble statues. Here's a fun thought. If you do get caught feeding a pigeon, you could try blaming the bird. Officer, I swear it stole the bread right out of my hand. But don't count on it working. Venetian authorities take their pigeon laws seriously. UK. Suspicious salmon smuggling. Here's a law straight out of the bizarre files. In the UK, under the Salmon Act 1986, it's illegal to handle salmon in suspicious circumstances. Yes, you read that right. Section 32 of this act makes it an offense in England and Wales to receive or dispose of fish that were obtained through illegal means. The law was designed to crack down on black market fish sales rather than to target individuals wandering around clutching salmon in dark alleys. Still, the wording of the act has left room for some hilarious interpretations. Imagine trying to explain your suspicious salmon to an officer. The fine for violating this law can be as much as £2,500, about $3,200. So, unless you're a licensed fishmonger with a clean record, think twice before carrying that salmon. Fun fact, this quirky law has become a pop culture talking point and is often cited as one of the weirdest legal rules in the UK. Germany, the Silent Flush Chronicles. If you're in Germany and nature calls during the sacred Ruhezeit, quiet hours, you've got a problem. Flushing toilets in some apartment buildings late at night is considered a noise violation. The rule is all about respecting neighbors, but it does raise some questions, like what's the alternative? Sneaky, silent flushing techniques? Or maybe just crossing your fingers and hoping no one hears? Fun fact, Germans are so serious about quiet hours that even vacuuming or loud conversations could get you in trouble. It's like they've turned silence into an art form. The Caribbean, camo catastrophe. Dreaming of a tropical escape to Jamaica or Barbados? Great, just leave the camouflage at home. Wearing camo is strictly prohibited unless you're in the military. This law stems from a need to prevent civilians from impersonating soldiers, which could lead to dangerous situations. But for tourists, it's more of a fashion crime. Imagine showing up at the airport in camo shorts, only to be told, sorry sir, that outfit is a no-go. It's not just embarrassing, it's a real legal issue. So, stick to Hawaiian prints and save the camo for paintball. Greece. High heels, low drama. Athens is a city full of ancient wonders, but those wonders come with rules. High heels are banned at archaeological sites to protect the delicate stone surfaces. It might sound trivial, but when you think about it, it makes sense. A single stiletto heel could crack a marble step that's been around since the Parthenon was built. Pro tip, if you're planning to visit Greece, pack stylish yet sensible shoes. Trust me, nothing ruins a vacation faster than being that tourist who accidentally damages an ancient ruin. Japan. ID or jail time. Japan is one of the safest countries in the world, but their rules are no joke. Foreign visitors must carry identification at all times. Forgetting your passport isn't just a minor inconvenience. It could land you in police custody until your identity is confirmed. This law ties into Japan's emphasis on security and order. But here's a fun fact. They also have vending machines for almost everything. So while you're double-checking your ID, grab a canned coffee or a hot meal from a vending machine. It's the perfect mix of modern convenience and strict tradition. Dubai. The PDA paradox. Dubai's skyline screams modern luxury, but its laws are deeply rooted in tradition. Public displays of affection are frowned upon, and even married couples have been fined for holding hands or kissing in public. The mystery here, how do you know when you've crossed the line? Some couples have been caught off guard, thinking a peck on the cheek was harmless. The safest bet? Save the romance for private spaces. Fun fact, Dubai is also home to one of the world's tallest buildings, the Burj Khalifa. So while you're keeping your hands to yourself, you can still enjoy the incredible view. Russia, dirty car blues. Driving through Russia? Make sure your car is spotless. A dirty vehicle, especially if the dirt obscures your license plate, can lead to a fine. This law isn't just about aesthetics. It's about safety and identification, but it's also a bit of a gray area. How dirty is too dirty? Is a dusty windshield okay? Or do you need a car wash every other day? For travelers, the safest move is to keep some cleaning supplies in your trunk. Or if you're feeling adventurous, turn it into a game. Let's see how long we can stay fine-free. Denmark. Baby name bureau. In Denmark, naming your baby is a bureaucratic affair. Parents must choose from a list of over 7,000 approved names. Want something unique? You'll need to submit your request to a government review panel. The idea is to protect children from being saddled with names that could lead to bullying. But it does make you wonder, how wild do Danish parents get with their name choices? Here's a plot twist. Some names, like Pluto or Monkey, have been rejected, while others, like Apple, might not even make the list. It's like the government is curating a very exclusive baby name club. And there you have it, 10 foreign laws that are equal parts fascinating and bizarre. From silent flushing to pigeon conspiracies, these rules remind us that every country has its quirks. Which law surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos.